Welcome back, everybody. Here we are in Mesa, Arizona, and it is Tuesday, June 16, 2020. And we just wanted to do a follow-up video on how everything turned out. Everything turned out beautiful with the floors. Go take a look. As you remember, the floors were in really rough condition. And we did sand them down, and you can see they turned out absolutely gorgeous. And here's our contact information. Royal Wood Flooring in Phoenix, Arizona. Let's go ahead and take a look at this threshold. Our crew did palm sanded, scraped it, and it came out beautiful. And there's that amazing kitchen with that awesome Spaniard style tile. And it does have 2 poles. It is an older home, probably built in the 1930s. That's okay though. As long as it has wood floors, we can restore them back to their original condition. Yeah, it turned out marvelous. As you can see, yes, it does have a few pet stains, and the camera kind of intensifies them more than they are. They're not that bad in real life. And the client said, let's leave that there for a wood filler. That was termite damage once again. The threshold reducer turned out beautiful once it was sanded down. There was a closet there taken out and had a little indentation, but we were able to sand it out. You can see it does have quite a few pet stains. 1, 2, quite a few, but that's okay. Oh, 4. And as you remember, we did the video before we started, and we're doing one after. So these are before and after videos of our wood floor restoration projects that we do here in the valley, in Phoenix, Arizona. And like we talked about yesterday, the homeowner did install a laminate over that concrete. This was an addition at one time, and it had concrete there, and we suggested to the homeowner, hey, let's go ahead and put a border there and continue the wood on concrete. Well, since they're flipping the home, they decided against it. They said, no, we'll go ahead and put the laminate, which in my opinion would have been worth extra money to go ahead and do the whole room, because visually it would have looked one big bedroom. As you can see, it does have AC, it does have a beautiful window there, nice high ceilings, and the choppy looks like a half a room, not a full room, since it is laminate and this is real wood. This is the original wood floor, and that was the addition, that's concrete. But it's okay, we could have glued down solid wood floor. We could have sanded and refinished. It would have looked just one big area. Same thing here. This was a concrete. We could have glued down solid wood, sanded and refinished, but they decided they're gonna save money and they're gonna go ahead and put, that's nice glass blocks, which I do love. I put it in all my homes that I've been working on, personal homes. So they decided to go ahead and save some money, and now it looks a little bit choppy. Yeah, you can see. And also you'll have the height difference here. So let's say, they'll put a reducer, that's fine, if it's a doorway, but not in the middle of the bedroom. So if they do have a bed, let's say they put a bed there, half will be on laminate, half will be on wood. And you can see that there is a little line there where it was not drywalled too professionally. And you could tell the addition that was done at one time here. It's a nice addition, it just looks like an addition. So there's 2 different kind of floors in the master bedroom. So let's do one more take. You could see the choppiness that the master bedroom has. Beautiful, nice, large master bedroom. Nice cathedral, I guess, cathedral ceiling. And just a choppy little room. Let's not go ahead and bash that. We already did, but. And so this is the wood floor, and you can see it has quite a few pet stains. At one time somebody did have pets in here over the years, and pets went to the bathroom on the floor, and there's no way to really sand that out. Wow, it really intensifies it in the video. It's not as deep black marks, but so there's no way to get that out. Pet stain, typically pet stain, what it does is it dry rots the wood, meaning that it's stained all the way through. 3/4 inches thick wood floor is dry rotted from top to bottom, which means it is black. So no matter how much we sand, it goes all the way through. It's not surface stain. So this is the bathroom. Well, that's okay. Oh, look at the big, beautiful backyard. It's still a work in progress. Don't mind that. They'll clean it up and look great once it's done. As you can see, everything turned out magnificent in our part. Like we suggested, we remove and replace those dark pieces. This is a red oak wood floor, 2 1/4 by 3/4, and it is a common number 3. How can you tell, Vinny? Well, you can tell by these knots. Those are knots in the wood, and then you have darker pieces, lighter pieces, and a lot of streaks. So a red oak, white oak, select is very nice and clean. Common number 3, it has a lot of rustic in it. It looks like they might have mixed in a little bit of white oak, because that right there looks like it's white oak. Typically white oak is two-tone in one piece. A little dark, a little light. And everything else just turned out like we expected it to turn out. Restored wood floor. You can see that threshold. Looks like a pine or ash. Doesn't match the floor because that's oak and that's a different species of wood. That's okay. Homeowner is happy. We're happy to do a great job and restore any of all your wood floors. Give us a call today, 602-446-2613. Well, we do have a little bit of a, looks like, yeah, this was a repair job. And we could tell because it's a different species of wood. It's like white oak, white oak, white oak. And then this is red, common. This is red select. This is common number 3 with the streaks in it. So hopefully you enjoyed our videos. This is typical of older historical homes, having a built-in corner cabinet unit. I think they're very unique. They don't make them anymore. So hopefully you enjoyed our videos. And if there's any kind of services we can do for you, give us a call today. Like I said, 602-446-2613. You can find us at Royal Wood Flooring, www.royalwoodflooring.com. Thank you for watching.